Hi, I'm Rishana Aziz. Welcome to Max tutorial. Today we will be solving the problems regarding relation between the roots and coefficients of a polynomial equation. As we have discussed theory part in the previous video, now we can solve the problems. The problems are discussed in two videos. The first six problems will be discussing on this video. First question is, given that the roots of equation 4x cube minus 24x square plus 23x plus 18 is equal to 0 are in arithmetical progression. Solve the equation completely. As we know that if the question is given to solve, we have to find all roots of the equation. And here the hint is given that the roots are in arithmetical progression. It's easy. So we can go to the answers, that is, since roots are given in AP, there can be a minus d, a plus d, right? So as we know the relationship between alpha, if roots of a cubic equation alpha, beta, gamma are roots, then S1 will be, sum of the roots will be minus b by a. Same here, S1 is equal to I minus d plus a plus d is equal to minus b by a. Here b is minus 24, minus b will be minus of minus 24, that is plus 24 by 4 is 6. So minus d plus d cancel. A. So 3a. 3a is equal to 6 and a is equal to 2. Right? If 3a is 6, then a will be 2. Now we have got that a is equal to 2. Then we can find S3. We can also find S2, that is multiplying a minus d into a into a plus d, then a minus d into a plus d. S3 will be more easier than we will be going through S2. So we have found here S3. S3 is equal to a minus d into a plus d. That will be, it is a product of the roots. A minus d into a plus d. By considering a minus d and a plus d, we can say that is a minus b into a plus, that is a square minus b square. We have learned in our lower classes. So a square minus d square into a, that is a cube minus d square into a, which is equal to minus 9 by 2. Here minus d by a is minus 18 by 4. So minus 18 by 4 can be cancelled as minus 9 by 2. So we have got that a is equal to 2. So since a equal to 2, a cube minus d square a can be written as 2 cube minus 2 into d square is equal to minus 9 by 2. 2 cube plus 9 by 2 is equal to 2d square. So 2d square is equal to 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 9 by 2 is 25 by 2. That is, I'm sorry, d square is equal to 25 by 4. So d will be plus or minus 5 by 2. Am I right? So d will be plus or minus 5 by 2. Now we have got a and d. So roots are a minus d, a plus d. That is 2 minus 5 by 2, 2, 2 plus 5 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 5, minus 1. Minus 1 by 2, 2. And 2 plus 5 by 2, it is 4 plus 5, 9 by 2. So roots are minus 1 by 2, 2, 9 by 2. Now we can go to the another question. Second question, solve the equation 27x cube plus 42x square minus 28x minus 8 is equal to 0, whose roots are in geometric progression. This is the question. So since roots are in JP, they can be a by r, a r. So we can find here, it's easy to get a by finding S3, that is a by r into ar, that is a cube, right? R and r are cancelled. A into a is a cube. A cube is equal to minus d by a. That is minus d by a is minus of minus 8 by 27. That is 8 by 27. So a cube is equal to 8 by 27. So a can be 2 by 3. We know 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. So we have got that a is equal to 2 by 3. Since one root is 2 by 3, so we can say that x minus 2 by 3 is a factor of this equation 27x cube plus 42x square minus 20x minus 8. For this equation, x minus 2 by 3 will be a factor, since we have got that a root is 2 by 3, that is a is 2 by 3. So while dividing a factor by this equation, we can get another root. So we can simplify this equation into this cubic equation into a quadratic equation, right? So by dividing 27x cube plus 42x square minus 28x minus 8 divided by x minus 2 by 3, we will get You can see here the division. This is a rough work, right? So while dividing this by x minus 22 by 3, we will get 27x square plus 60x plus 12. That is f of x is equal to x minus 2 by 3 into 27x square plus 60x plus 12. So this quadratic equation can be write as x minus 2 by 3 into, that is x plus 2 into 27 plus 6. This can be simplified as x plus 2 into 27 plus 6. So we can easily get the roots. That is, if x minus 2 by 3 is a factor, then plus 2 by 3 will be the root. Then if x plus 2 are the factor, then minus 2 will be the root. 27 plus 6 can be written as 27x plus 6. Okay, it can be written as minus 6 by 27. That can be write as minus 2 by 9. Okay, so minus 2 by 9, 2 by 3, minus 2 are roots of this equation. Third question, solve the equation 81x cube minus 18x square minus 36x plus 8 is equal to 0, whose roots are in harmonic progression. This is the question. So here the equation is 81x cube minus 18x square minus 36 plus 8 is equal to 0, and the roots are in harmonic progression. So let us consider here the roots are alpha, beta, gamma. So by the relationship, roots and relationship with the coefficients, we can write here s1, s2, s3. That is, s1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is minus b by a, that is minus of minus 18 by 81, that is plus 18 by 81. S2 will be alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma, that is c by a, that is minus 36 by 81. And S3 will be alpha into beta into gamma, that is minus 8 by 81. Okay, I have got all this. So here the condition is roots are in harmonic progression. Since roots are in harmonic progression, we can write beta as 2 alpha gamma by alpha plus gamma. Since roots are in harmonic progression, we can write beta as 2 alpha gamma by alpha plus gamma. So this implies beta into alpha, that is alpha beta, plus beta into gamma, that is beta gamma. Alpha beta plus beta gamma is equal to 2 alpha gamma. Now here we have got that 2 alpha gamma is alpha beta plus beta gamma. Check here, this is equation 2, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is minus 36 by 81. So here we have got that alpha beta plus beta gamma is 2 alpha gamma. Am I right? So putting in equation 2, that is 2, instead of alpha beta plus beta gamma, we can write as 2 alpha gamma plus alpha gamma is minus 36 by 81. This 3 alpha gamma is minus 36 divided by 81, and alpha gamma is minus 36 divided by 81 divided by 3. So we can simplify here it as minus 4 by 27. Here you can see how I simplify, that is minus 4 by 27. Am I right? So here we have got that alpha gamma is minus 4 by 27. Check here the equation 3, that is S3 is alpha beta into gamma. So, and here we have got alpha gamma. Alpha beta gamma is minus 8 by 81. And here alpha gamma is itself minus 4 by 27. So, easily we can find here beta. Putting into the equation 3, alpha beta gamma is minus 8 by 81. It is minus 4 by 27 into beta is minus 8 by 81. So beta can be minus 8 by 81 into 27 by 4. So minus 27 by minus 4. So having cancelled, and we will get 2 by 3. B is equal to 2 by 3. So beta is 2 by 3. And here we have said the roots are alpha, beta, gamma. And here we have got beta is 2 by 3. So since 2 by 3 will be a root of this equation. So since 2 by 3 is a root, we can say as x minus 2 by 3 is a factor of this equation. 81x cube minus 18x square minus 36x plus 8. So 2 by 3 is a root. So x minus 2 by 3 will be a factor. So we can divide this equation, 81x cube divided by 81x cube minus 18x square minus 36x plus 8 divided by x minus 2 by 3. We will be getting as, so that is divided here, that 81x cube minus 18x square minus 36x plus 8 by x minus 2 by 3. So while dividing f of x by x minus 2 by 3, we will be getting 81x square plus 36x minus 12. Right? So this can be solved as 9x minus 2 and 3x plus 2. So the roots are 2 by 3 and 9x minus 2 can be written as 2 by 9, and 3x plus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 3. So hope you got this problem. Now we can move to another problem. Fourth question is, solve the equation 2x cube minus x square minus 22x minus 24 is equal to 0. Two of its roots are in the ratio 3:4. Okay, the equation is 2x cube minus x square minus 22x minus 24 equal to 0, and its roots are in ratio 3:4. So let the roots be 3 alpha, 4 alpha and beta. So we can find S1, that is 3 alpha plus 4 alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is minus of minus 1 by 2 is plus 1 by 2. 3 alpha plus 4 alpha, 7 alpha. 7 alpha plus beta is 1 by 2. So now we can find S3. 3 alpha into 4 alpha into beta, that is 3 into 4, 12, 12 alpha square into beta is 24 by 2, that is minus d by a, 24 by 2, minus of minus 24 by 2 is 12. 12 alpha square beta is 12. From this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 1 we can write that 7 alpha plus beta is 1 by 2. So we can write beta as 1 by 2 minus 7 alpha. Okay. Beta is equal to 1 by 2 minus 7 alpha. So here we can write S2, that is 3 alpha into 4 alpha plus 4 alpha into beta plus 3 alpha into beta is C by A, that is minus 22 by 2 minus 11. 3 alpha into 4 alpha is 12 alpha square, 4 alpha into beta plus 3 alpha into beta is minus 11. 12 alpha square plus 4 alpha beta plus 3 alpha beta is 7 alpha beta, and here we can substitute the value of beta as we have found earlier, that is beta is 1 by 2 minus 7 alpha. 12 alpha square plus 7 alpha into 1 by 2 minus 7 alpha is minus 11. 12 alpha square plus 7 we can substitute the 7 alpha to here, that is 7 by 2 alpha minus 7 into 7, 49 alpha square is minus 11. So 12 alpha square minus 49 alpha square is minus 37 alpha square plus 7 by 2 alpha is again minus 11. So here we can find the value of alpha, that is we will be getting two values. Alpha is 22 by 37 and minus 1 by 2. So now we can check which is the real value of alpha. When alpha is 22 by 37, beta will be 1 by 2 minus 7 alpha. So 1 by 2 minus 7 into 22 by 37, that will be minus 271 by 74. So we know that equation 2 is 12 alpha square beta is 12. So 12 into substitute the value of alpha and beta here. So this is not equal to 12. So we can say that alpha is not 22 by 37 since it does not satisfy our equations. So and then we can consider here alpha as minus 1 by 2. We have so alpha is minus 1 by 2, then beta will be 1 by 2 minus 7 alpha, we will get beta as 4. So same we can put alpha and beta in this equation, that is 12 into alpha square minus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 into 4 is equal to 12, right? So 12 into 1 by 4 into 4 is 12. So alpha and beta are fixed, and it is minus 1 by 2 and beta is 4. So rules are 3 alpha, 4 alpha and beta, that is 3 into minus 1 by 2, 4 into minus 1 by 2 and beta is 4. This is not 12, beta is 4. Okay, that is minus 3 by 2 minus 4 by 2, 4, that is minus 3 by 2 minus 4 by 2 can be written as minus 2 and 4. So roots are minus 3 by 2, minus 2, 4. Now we can go to another problem. 50th question is, solve x raised to 4 minus 2x cube minus 21x square plus 22x plus 40 is equal to 0, whose roots are in AP. So let the roots be a minus, since the roots are in AP, we can take the roots as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus 3d and a plus d. Okay, so S1 is equal to a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d. That is minus 3d plus 3d cancel, minus d plus d cancel. So 4 is a. 4a is equal to 2. That is a equal to 1 by 2. The next S2. S2 is a minus 3d into a minus d plus a minus 3d into a plus d. Then a minus 3d into a plus 3d. A minus d into a plus d plus a plus d into a plus 3d. That is multiplying two of the terms. So this is equal to C by A. C is minus 21. That is minus 21 by 1. That is minus 21 itself. So while cancelling all this, we will get as 6a square minus 10d square. Okay. 6a square minus 10d square is minus 21. 6 into 1 by 2 whole square is minus 10d square is minus 21. Since we have got earlier that a is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 6 into 1 by 4 is 3 by 2 minus 10d square is minus 21. That is 3 by 2 minus 10d square is minus 21. That is 3 by 2 plus 21 is 10d square and d square is 9 by 4. So d will be plus or minus 3 by 2. So roots are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus 3d. Right? So a is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 into d is 3 by 2 plus or minus 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 9 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2. That will be is equal to minus 4. 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2, that is minus 8 by 2. That is minus 4, minus 1, 2, 5. Okay, hope you got this problem. Now we can solve another problem. Solve x raised to 4 minus 10x cube minus 120x square plus 320x plus 1024 is equal to 0. Given that roots are real and they are in geometric progression. So, since roots are in geometric progression, they can be a, ar square and ar cube. Now, we can find S4. S4 is a into ar square into ar cube equal to e by a, that is 1024 divided by 1, that is 1024. A raised to 4 into r raised to 6 can be written as 1024. So, this can be written as a square into r cube whole square. So, a square into r cube whole square equal to 1024. So, a square r cube is root of 1024, that is plus or minus 32. So, now we can check S2. Here S2 is C by A, that is minus 120. So, since S2 is negative, all roots cannot be positive. So, R will be negative. A square R cube is plus or minus 32. So, here A square R cube is minus 32. Okay. Now we can write, since the roots are ar square and ar cube, so we can write f of x as x minus f of x is equal to x minus a into x minus ar into x minus ar square into x minus ar cube. So we know that a square r cube is minus 32. So here we can change it as we can take here x minus a and x minus ar cube, and this is shuffled, that is taking x minus a and x minus ar cube together and x minus ar and x minus ar square together. That is x minus a and x minus ar cube. X square, you can write it as x square minus a plus ar cube x plus a square r cube, and this can be written as x square minus ar plus ar square plus a square r cube. Okay. Okay, now listen carefully that x square minus a plus ar cube into x minus 32. Here we have substituted a square r cube as minus 32. So, x square minus a plus ar cube into x minus 32. Here x square minus ar in plus ar square into x minus 32 is equal to 0. Now, here this is of the form, we can write this a plus ar cube as p and ar plus ar square as q. So, p equal to a plus ar cube and q is ar plus ar square. Now, we can write it as x square minus px minus 32 into x square minus qx minus 32 equal to 0. So, while multiplying this, x square into x square, x raised to 4 minus, while multiplying this, we will be getting this one. Okay. That is x raised to 4, x square into minus qx is minus qx cube minus 32x square minus px cube plus pqx square minus plus 32px minus 32x square plus 32qx, right? Plus 32qx plus 32 into minus 32 into minus 32 is plus 1024 is equal to 0. So this of the form, here x raised to 4 is there. The first term is x raised to 4, last term is 1024. Now we can compare it with the given equation. That is, as we know, the given equation is This is the given equation, that is x raised to the power minus 10x cube minus 120x square plus 320x plus 1024. So while comparing with the given equation, that is minus q minus p x cube, from this x cube terms are here, minus q minus p x cube can be compared by minus 10x cube, and pq minus 64x square can be compared as minus 120x square, then 32p plus 32q of x is equal to 320x. So from this we can write p plus q is 10, here minus minus cancel, q plus p or p plus q is 10, and also here pq is pq minus 64 equal to minus 120, and pq is equal to minus 120 plus 64, that is pq equal to minus 56. Okay, so pq is minus 56, and from this p plus q is 10, then q will be 10 minus p. Okay, that is p into 10 minus p is equal to minus 56, then p will be 14, q is equal to minus 4. Hope you got how we get p and q. If p into 10 minus p is minus 56 and p plus q is 10, so p equal to 14 and q equal to minus 4, you will get it while solving. Now we got p and q. So here our equation can be rewrite as x square minus 14x minus 32 and x square plus 4x minus 32. Once we have written it as x square minus px minus 32 and x square plus px, x square minus qx minus 32, right? So here x square minus px minus 32 is written as x square minus 14x minus 32, and x square plus x square minus qx is written as x square plus 4x minus 32. Okay, this can be easily solved, that is x minus 16, x plus 2, then x minus 4 and x plus 8. So roots are 16, minus 2, 4, minus 8. If you are having any doubt regarding these problems, you can DM me on my Instagram page or you can write it on comment box. If you have understood all the problems, please subscribe this channel, share to the needy one. Thank you for watching.